funny as crap.
It would.
Any minute I'm gonna have you sitting on that thing.
Why me?
I'll put it on my Facebook.
You ain't putting this on Facebook.
Yes, I am.
I hate to tell you, but you're not.
No, I'm gonna take a picture of it and put it on my Facebook. Your mom ain't on my friends list.
Oh. Yeah, she is, ain't she?
No.
I thought she was.
Your mom's being a meanie.
It's not my mom's fault.
Okay, I gotta wipe that oil leak off in a minute. And I gotta see how much oil comes out. Because I gotta fix that O-ring.
Gotta fix that again?
Oh, I fixed it.
You just want me to go around it, or what?
I don't care.
Well, what are we doing? Because I went around it.
Well, I'll start it again.
Okay.
This time I'm not gonna drop it.
How do you get that off there?
What?
How do you get that off? Dirt.
Oh.
Don't drop it.
I don't plan on it. Maybe I shouldn't have turned the fuel off.
Jesus.
Okay.
So are we good?
I guess. Bye, YouTube.
Bye-bye.